Okay, good afternoon, friends. It's afternoon here. It's 5:30, and I am here in my backyard, and I'll show you my new new banana blossom. I just cut an one last time. I just harvested this banana, and then there's another one coming again. So it's a non-stop produce pala ang banana. Once this is I planted this maybe 3 years ago, yeah, or almost 4 years, and I already harvested one there, second, and this is the third. So once one banana harvested, another one is fruiting again. See, and I put some manure in my strawberry because it's very the soil is not that good here, very hard, because I've been neglected this area. Mayroong ano doon, parda noon, but now I just removed the parda because there's always a lot in the front, so I just clear this up. And you know what, my cassava, you know, the yam, they're not yet growing. They're just there. I did not check if they are good enough to harvest. I just leave them there. And you know, this cassava that I harvested in front of the house, I planted them here at the back, and they're growing well. See, from 2 plant, they're now how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7, and plus how many in front? There's a lot. So that's good. From 2, there's a lot. I'll show you. So there's 7 at the back, and I planted some in the pot. So I have here